there's so many questions, but what I would really like Crypto Queen and maybe a few others to highlight as well as you're explaining what you're into crypto for. From what I'm seeing, we're still early. Would you agree with that? From what you're seeing, we see, hey, they're creating this, and so for I know just the normal retail market, the Dipatoers, we think they're building. Okay, it's going to be ready tomorrow. Maybe not. That's the expectation, but things are still being built. Regulation, they're getting it, but not. So Crypto Cream, would you agree that we're still very much early, and maybe add to a little bit to that?
Yes, I would agree with you. I think mainstream integration is coming, but until we have the regulation, like we still got under 5% of the world's population
Right.
invested in
Mm-hmm.
crypto or in digital assets. And the thing is, there is not going to be one token to rule them all.
Right. 100%
We
agree with
also
that.
need
Yep.
something where the mainstream that's going to come in and be integrated and adopt this doesn't need to know all the background. They just need to be able
Right.
to use it.
Right.
And so I guess for me, that's what Zahao's done with the Bank of Aronia. That's a real world issue where they don't really need to know what's going on in the background there. But yes, I do agree with you that we are still early. Things are still being built out on not just Zahao or the XRPL. You've got Base. I met a company here in Australia that is new that I'd never heard of, and they're a layer one, and their tech looks insane. So there are projects that are starting that
Yep.
we've not even heard of. So I think
100%.
we're going to see crypto move more into the background. Users won't need to understand blockchain to benefit from it. We think, I don't know, but this is just a prediction, I guess. Wallets will be integrated with banks. Like if you think 15 years ago, we weren't using banking on our phones, now we are. There'll probably be not only ETFs, but you'll probably have loyalty programs. I'm talking maybe 20 years' time, where you'll be using tokens and
Right.
platforms with
Right.
Web3 tech without the user even realizing it.
Right.
Like
Right.
if you go into a way bigger picture than where we are right now and being bogged down in the regulations. So I feel like that's something that will come, but it's going to
Yeah.
take time.
It's just going to take time.